Welcome guys, we are back. This is another session, and today we are going to see how far the account is. This will be the part 3 of what we already started. If you've not watched part 1 and part 2, make sure you subscribe and go and watch them so that at least you can come and see how we've grown this account. This account we started with $500, and as you can see right now, those are the figures that we have. Remember when I told you guys the aim is to grow the account. So it's not about putting big lot sizes and risking the account. The aim is just to be consistent with the account. So today's on Friday. Today's on Friday of the second week because we started this challenge last week. So 2 weeks, and this is what we've managed to do there with the account. Okay. So the aim is just to grow the account. Be consistent, guys, and remember what we've been talking about all along. I kept telling you guys we only sell at resistance and buy at support. Once you do that, guys, you're good to go. Okay, so currently those are my entry points. As you can see, I added more positions, and today is on Friday. It's around 8:15 Kenyan time AM. So we're going to see what will happen when London opens, because it opens around the next 1 hour or 2 hours. It will be open. I don't know whether I'll hold until New York session at around 4, but you know, on Friday anything can happen. So I'm going ahead and I will start taking small profits so that at least we continue growing the account. And this, I think, will be the end of this session, part 3. And then next week, now I'll start posting other videos showing you, the tools that you need, because I've had guys asking me, like, Charles, what are the tools that you need? What do I need to start trading forex? Then maybe I'll do that. And if you still want me to continue showing you and growing this account, of course I'll continue growing this account up to $2,000, $3,000. We'll see how far we can get with this account by the end of the month. But I think from next week I'll want to address that issue where guys were asking, what does it take to trade an account, to trade a forex account? What are the tools that I need to be able to trade forex? So I'll do that. So today, since it's on Friday and the aim is to grow the account, we'll go ahead and start taking small profits. So as you can see, the market is still pushing down. Remember, we are at resistance. I'm expecting the market to drop all the way from where it is right now, all the way up to around this zone. So from here, then we'll be able to see what will happen. If we see some bullish setup, we'll buy. If we don't see, we'll continue selling all the way up to down here. But that is, it's on the, from maybe 3 weeks from now, 4 weeks from now, we'll see. We'll go step by step. Resistance we sell, support we buy. So we'll do this step by step. So currently that is where we are at, and the market is still going down. It's pushing down, so it will be wise, because today is on Friday. Anything can happen. It can push all the way down, because I'm expecting it to come at least to here. As you can see, this region was tested once and then it pushed up. So I'm expecting again this market to come and test this area here. Probably today on Friday it will close. If it closes bearish, that will be very good for next week to start again looking for pullbacks, and then we sell again. So we will see. So for today, I want us to go ahead and start taking profit. So this one will take like that, and then because the aim is to grow the account, remember. Also this one will take profit like that. This one we take like that. So the account has grown, so we've made that. So remember, guys, we have no losses. We don't have losses yet, because also remember, losses is part of the game. Losing is also part of the game, but the aim is never ever blow your account. Once you start trading the way I trade, you'll not blow your account. But here and there, you'll find you have to close with a loss, a small loss, but never blowing the account. So the account is still growing. So this one, we're going to take half of it. So we will take 0.05. We'll close with that, so that at least we let the others to run. So the account now we have 7,800 Kenyan shillings. That's what made $78. today is on Friday. So at least you've noticed every day we are making something. Every single day we make something. Every single day we make money. So so that is that. Let me see whether we can take another profit. Let me go to 15 minutes. Okay, I can see it's forming like that. I think we'll let that run. Let me see. Yeah, that one will leave it like that. Let those ones run. Let those ones run. Let those ones run. Maybe this one we can take half, so that we take half of it. That is 0.05. We close like that. Yes, so we can leave it like that. So you can see how far the account, we took this account up to 1,000. That is $1,400. Okay, so hiyo ni pesa poa ya Kenya. I know it's not a lot, or it's a lot of money for, I know it's not a lot of money for most of the people, but to us here in Nairobi, in Kenya, it's a lot of money. You know, we're in Africa, so it's a lot of money. We can do a lot of that. You can pay your rent, you can buy things. You know, there's so many things you can do with $1,000 plus. So we're going ahead and protecting our account. Remember, guys, I always tell you have to protect your account. So this one, we're going to protect it. We're going to put a trail stop at around that region, so that in any case, if there is any news, our account is protected. So we protect first this with that is 516.91. So we come here, protect this one. Okay, 91 like that. Close it. We've modified it, so let's see. Yeah, it's protected. You can see there's a trail stop here, stop loss. So in any case, even if the market decides to push all the way up, our account is protected. We are never going to be negative. So we also protect this as our we can put this one around there. So that will be 520.58. 520.58. Okay, like that. So now when we come, all our accounts are protected with the stop loss. So regardless of what the market wants to do, we have no worries. There is no emotions involved. We are trading in the house money. There is we have nothing to lose at this point. We've made money, as you can see. That is 12,800 Kenyan shillings. That is $128. Okay, so we are good, guys. We are good. On Friday, we've made that kind of money. We are good, and we've been making money consistently from last week. There is no single day that we made a loss, you know. So that is the aim. I believe this we've done good. We've done good. Tumefanya poa. So let's see. So those ones will let them to run. So this on Friday. Let's see how New York will open, and then we see what how also London will open. So I will leave it. I'll let it run till maybe next week. We'll see. Probably by 4 p.m. New York time, I'll close it with the profit that will be there. If not, if I see good news, I'll let it run until next week. We see, because the aim is just to grow the account consistently. So that being said, that is what we have. That is what is floating. That is what that's how the account is growing so far. So thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and follow. You learn a lot on this channel. So bye bye.